We've had a number of wallets from Australia lately, and Harrisson Australia is another one for us to look at. So let's get into it. Great looking presentation. It comes in this box. Let's open this up. Let's see what we got here. Thank you for the purchase. Bondi Beach, Australia. Great. And here is the wallet. Thank you. Australian made. Appreciate that. And here is the wallet. It comes in this cotton sleeve. Yeah, here we go. This is a brown. Comes in black as well. And geez, look at how thin this is. And you can tell we've got some machine stitching. There's their logo stamped into the wallet. We open this up. All right. Okay. Recommendations on how to use the wallet. If we get into it, we've got a couple card slots here. Looks like a money clip. It's a tight money clip. I like that. But really, the point is to make this be super thin. I think they've kind of achieved that. So let's get into the details. Now on the exterior of this wallet, we don't have any appreciable features except just beautiful leather, which we'll talk about. It's how it gets its thinness. I think you can imagine what it is. On the interior, we have 1 and 2 card slots, one on each side here. And then on the interior, right in the middle here, we have a cash clip, a money clip right here. And it has tension on it, so when you open it, allows you to click it into place, holds your cash there. Capacity probably 5+ notes. I'd say that the card slots here about 2 to 6 each. And that's a quick review of the features of the Harrisson Australia bifold wallet. It measures 4.5 by 2.9 by 0.2. And it weighs 42 grams. That's 1.45 ounces. As you saw, I got 6 cards, 3 on each side, and 9 slips of cash. I left out the euro and the yen because they are just a little taller than they should be. Minimalist carry option by way of cards is probably $4.12. I mean, you could get 6 on either side and be just fine. There is no recommendation they make, but 12 would work. 6, it would then stretch out the leather, but it works. You can see how it fits in the pocket, front and rear. Not a problem. This is made to be either a front or a rear pocket wallet. I think it works just fine. My perceptions of this is that it's a very thin wallet, which is due to the leather used. And I think you can imagine what that is. Very functional, very strong leather. And the bifold in the money clip here works just fine. I don't think there's any concern. Now, Harrisson Australia produces belts and other accessories, and they're all made from premium Kangaroo and cowhide. You got that. It's Kangaroo here that we're looking at. And it has a 5-year warranty on it. Now, designed and made in Australia, it is a full-grain veg tan Kangaroo leather, which accounts for the thinness we have here. We've talked about Kangaroo leather in the past. It's absolutely amazing, very thin, incredibly durable and strong. And if we look at the sewing on this, we can see that it is machine sewn. If we get in here and remove this cash so we can get a little closer look at what's going on here, I think there is some concern that I have about reinforcement on these slot sides here. Get in here a little closer. I was barely pulling on this and it begins to pull away. So you start to seeing some separation from the slot and the back. Reinforcement is missing on the slots on the leather here onto the back. And I just wish it was a little stronger because it was very easy for me to pull that away. It's priced for $74. I think it's reasonable, considering it's Kangaroo leather, especially, and coming from Australia. The slim profile is very easy to use with the money clip. That's tightly integrated, kind of like I talked about there, ensuring that it won't become loose and fall out. This money clip here is not coming out. It is secured in there, usually by a double-sided tape that's wrapped around it. But it's in there well enough that you're not going to have that problem. Now, I can't determine if it's a self-winding money clip or not, but the strength is just fine. It'll handle whatever you put at it. So now let's get on to the final score. For quality of 4, price of 3, but shipping adds another $20, which makes it a little bit expensive, but we'll keep it for the cost of it. Features a 3, usability of 4, and perception of 4. That gives us a score of 37 out of 50. I've added a couple other videos here that are for Australian-made wallets in particular you might want to take a look at. We'll see you in the next review. Bye.